In this brief tutorial, I'm going to show you how to combine different image and text files into a Word document and save as a PDF. First, you open Microsoft Word on your computer, open a blank document. You can type text directly into you can type directly into the document. You can copy text from other sources and paste into your Word document. You can format it as needed. Let's change the color of this text. And you could also combine image files. So I'm going to take a screenshot of my desktop. And paste directly into so here's a screenshot. I'm going to resize this. Couple more screenshots. Okay. Now you can insert tables. Insert a table. So call this data table. And whenever you're satisfied with your document or report, you can then click on File. First of all, save your document to somewhere on your computer. I'm going to save it to Physics 303, and I'm going to leave the name as shown, how to combine different image and text files into a document and save as PDF. Even though it's a long name, but it works. Now, to convert this to PDF, all I need to do is go back to Save As and select PDF and then click Save. And take note of the location. I'm saving this to the same location where I had earlier saved the other document. So to upload this to Blackboard, all I need to do is go to Blackboard and click on the browser option, browse to my computer to the folder where the PDF has been saved, and then attach it and click submit.